Hey, what's up? It's me, Harley J. And today about yesterday, I got a new desk. Well, kind of. Let's talk about it. Okay, so this is my new desk. It's pretty simple. I just have a chair here. So I have one chair right there. I have one desk there, another desk there, my old computer there. Well, they're both. Well, the computer I already use in editing, my editing computer, and my business computer. So 2 computers. I have my iPad. I have my filmmaking card, which I have all my filmmaking gear. Which a lot of it's not in there because I'm actually going on a shoot. So today, I don't really have any. Not going to tell you the location, but yeah. So I'm still kind of getting this desk ready. It's definitely not ready yet, but yeah. So yeah, I like it. It's pretty nice. And yeah, that's it. Peace out.